phone LCD, well, you can just have it done. These guys will fix it for you right away. In China, hopefully we have more of this in the US, because Apple simply just wants to rip you off. They want you to buy new devices, environmentally harmful, just because they can get rich. I mean, basic accessories, cell phone repairs. They do a great job. Fair price, low price. So if you buy a phone from a phone company that doesn't allow you to repair the LCD, just boycott them. Don't bother. Again, just don't buy their $500, $1,000, $2,000 cell phone. All they want to do is rip you off. They're environmental parasites, parasites of the planet. They make great products, but all they care about is just overcharging you and making you throw away your old product so you can buy more. And then how many cell phones are on the streets? Again, just broken LCDs for mobile phone. Just buy from the phone companies which allow you to repair your own products. Most politicians are bought by these companies, so just remember, we need someone with cojones like El Presidente Trump. I know a lot of people don't like a lot of things he does, but these guys do a great job repairing. If they can do it here, you can also do the same in the US, and even a little bit, well, maybe a little bit more, but okay, that's just a cost of living. Also, when you come here, they're quite happy to do this work as well, so don't buy from companies which sell you things that you buy and they don't even let you own anything when you buy with your own hard-earned money. Again, thank you for all customers who buy from totalconsole.com as well, and thank you for watching. If you guys have any other ideas, or if you want, not ideas, but if you just want videos made, just let us know. We'll wind up making them. Again, especially for repairing your own products which you own legitimately.